Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage location on Claude. If you want to control how Claude uses your location, good news, it does have a setting, but it's a bit hidden. Let me show you exactly where it is and how to manage it in seconds. So to start, open Claude app, tap on the three lines at the top left. Now at the bottom left, tap on your profile icon. Now in here, scroll down and look for permissions. Once you found it, tap on it. And in here, tap on locations. So you can see three options: location, calendar, and reminders. So once you tap on location, here you see never, as each time, and always. So just set whichever you prefer. So for example, always. So always allow location, or never allow location, or as each time. So I'm going to set it to always. So just select your preferred access level. If you want more privacy, you can set it to never. Now, even if this is enabled, your phone still has the final say. So close the Claude app and go to settings. Scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Tap on location services. And in here, make sure you enable location services at the top. So make sure you see it in green light, which means it is enabled. Now, this overrides Claude completely. Now, Claude uses location mainly for local recommendations, context aware answers. So it's more about convenience than tracking. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to manage location inside Claude and on your device. If you want full control, just turn it off in both places. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.